There are moments in life that you're not sure what to do. You don't know which road to take, which path to take. In other words, you're really uncertain. In this video, I would like to talk about a few techniques that you can use in such situations. The very first one, as always, is writing. Writing, believe it or not, has a therapeutic effect. Take a piece of paper, a pen, give yourself some time, and whatever is going on in your mind, just bring it down on that piece of paper. Why is it important? Because this is a kind of brain dumping, and instantly you feel lighter. And once you start writing, clarity starts coming to you. And based on what you want to do, for example, if you want to decide between option A and B, you can write the pros and cons for each of them. And by having a look at everything clearly written down on the paper, you can make a more logical, a wiser decision in this case. The second technique that I usually teach to my clients is relying on your intuition. Our intuition is our sixth sense, the thing which is somewhere in our body, and once we tune into it, it has all the answers for us. So the way it goes is, find a very comfortable place, sit down, take a few deep breaths. Probably close your eyes. You can even put one hand on your heart and take a few deep breaths. And once you have calmed down your nervous system by taking a few deep breaths, because our emotions are connected to our breath. Once our breathing, the rhythm of the breath, calms down, we can make better decisions. Once you are in that state, ask yourself, which way do I want to go? What decision do I want to make? And wait for the answers. Don't be in a rush. You need to take your time with this one. Again, take a few deep breaths. Tune into your intuition. Probably scan your body from the top of your head to the tips of your toes and ask yourself, what do I want to do with my life? What decision do I want to make? And wait for the answer. Sometimes the answers come instantly. Other times you need to wait for them to come. You need to practice your patience in this situation. So in times of uncertainty, in times where there are two roads and you're not sure which one to take, using these two techniques, one of them, writing down everything, brain dumping, and then if there are two choices or three choices, write down the pros and cons for each of them and have a look at that. Give yourself time to make the best decision. And the second one is tune into your intuition, because we all know the answers deep down, somewhere within us. We know the answers. The important thing is to be able to and to learn the skill of tuning into that intuition, just centering down, taking a few deep breaths, asking the question, and waiting for an answer. And this one sometimes needs patience. And make sure you practice these two techniques and wait for the answer. Once you do this, you can make the best decision at that moment with all the knowledge available to you. It's possible that 5 years from now, you look at that moment and you think, I could have made a better decision. It doesn't matter, because 5 years from now, your level of awareness is different, your experience is different, your circle of influence is different. So do not judge your current decision 5 years from now. You can reflect on it, You can learn from it, but do not criticize yourself or judge yourself for the decision you make at that time, because you have made that decision based on the knowledge and information and experience available to you. Use these two methods and tell me how you go in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, and until another video, take care and keep shining.